Let the cat quest continue. Ah! Okay.
I can say ambush.
I
Alright.
like that one. Okay. Man, where do we get the billboard? If we're reforging the King's Blade, Kit would know what to do. Let's go easy. We're only reviving a 1,000 billion-year-old relic or whatever. You show the King's Blade, King's Sigil. Yes, we have the whole blade kit.
It's just already there.
That sigil, it's impossible. Kit, you helped forge the King's Blade. Can you do it again? Excuse me? How old is she? Shushikiri. Now they know my age. Ahem. Forget y'all heard anything and meet me outside. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Oh. Oh my gosh. We actually follow her this time? It's not just an invisible entity vanishing from one place to another? Easy. Garbage golem. Huh? Y'all hear that? Oh my gosh! The squirrels! Wow, that sounded neat. No, stay away. You guys smell bad. We're attracting so much unwanted attention. Ow. Wow, you see me again. Y'all work well together, huh? We're practically bros. Ow. He's my brother from another mother. Ow. Do those little healing balls also heal me?
No, I don't think so.
Oh.
Yeah, no, they're just damage balls.
Okay. Do y'all know the reason the King's Blade shattered?
Hey, bro, check out Catface.
Huh. Catface Lookout. Wait a minute, isn't this where that super extravagant gala place was?
No.
It's because the first kings feared its power. So they left me a shard to ensure that no one could forge it again. How old are you? What?
If you keep asking questions again.
My bad. Defeat me and I'll help you, and I'll help y'all reforge the King's Blade.
Look what you did.
Oh,
You weren't still leading your age.
What have I done? No mana, bro.
You'll come back.
Do we get free stuff? Lightning Staff. Oh yeah. Okay, so duplicates still do get stuff. Well, you can't open it?
No HP good.
Catventure Blade. Let's see what that stuff does. Whoa! Whoa! What does the axe do? Oh, defense by 10%! But that increases physical damage by 5%. So instead of 14, it goes to like what? It stays 14? Oh, thanks. Stick with this, thank you very much. Okay, we're going. So now what? We fight her? Get ready, boys. My hammer packs quite a punch. She could heal herself. two can play that game. So we just have to narrow her down until she can heal no more.
The paws are ever healing.
I'm ever whacking! Aw, nuts. Thought I could get out of there in time. I refuse to go down to some... Why is she healing so much?
Because you're dealing damage. Oh, thanks.
Ooh. We did it! We beat the Immortal Witch!
We just tried to kick it.
Hey, y'all, pretty good. Thank you, thank you. Leonardo's key. This key will unlock the ruins where a shard is kept. Kiri will find y'all there, okay? Okie dokie. You know, cats and dogs never seen eye to eye.
What do you mean? That's what we're doing right now.
We were literally staring at each other. But I feel you boys just change. I feel you boys might just change all that heart.
You know how to use emojis. See you like that.
Well, that was simple. Oh. Do we gotta cross the bridge, or which way do we go? Is that a ninja?
Yo. Okay, see. There's no one there.
Where's the billboard, man? I want to go on funny micro adventures.
You just started.
Ow. Was I on fire? Thank you. Oh, that was an Angel's Chorus.
What do you think?
I thought I was actually dying. Oh, I was, but then I was healed. The trial's very tough. You need to be really strong for this. If your level's too low, try upgrading your armor and weapons.
Oh yeah, let's go do that.
Yeah, okay then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm scared.
Let you do that. Catnip farm? They farm catnip?
I'm gonna get it.
Oh, she's back in here. Are you doing? I'm gonna... Hey, y'all! We got so much money now. Yeah. Perfection. You never know.
Okay, but like this is physical damage.
And get the dagger.
No.
Fine. Where do we go for magic? We should upgrade our magic tool, right? Yeah. I mean, Field Pot has been pretty handy. Why am I so fast?
Also, it's because you speed
Oh, okay. Do we not talk to this one? Oh. And what's it with the exclamation mark? Explanation mark. You want to upgrade your magic? Well, it's all you, dude, and I don't need it. I'm level 2.
Yeah.
Whoa! And let's save that 500 for emergency monies. We're
Alright.
ready to go. Yeah. Oh, so we can't
Hey.
talk to him.
Yeah, you want to?
Yeah, what does it do? Level 10. We're just the right level.
Alright.
My kings, would you be willing to help us find an ancient magical object? Is it an orb? So, what we want to find is invisibility fur coat, which makes the wearer invisible. Most of us are too scared to venture out, so the coat will hide us perfectly. Grandpa Mage seemed to know something about it, but he ignored our questions. He just left for a secret meeting somewhere near the deep forest. Brave kings, could you listen in and take notes? Oh. He's got a mustache! Some things just never change, and I like that. You start taking notes. But I'm fighting that thing. What is... I still don't know what that is. The young ones are searching for invisibility fur coat. The invisibility fur coat. But you see, the coat belongs to the ancient mage, and only he knows where it is. The ancient mage? The one who discovered time magic? He disappeared a long time ago. He somehow got himself stuck in a realm where time's frozen. I think I hear something out there. Better safe than sorry. Whoa. Easy.
What?
Something magical about shooting little orbs. What's this? A squirrel? Are we done? Oh, okay.
I was just being.
Thought there was gonna be another one. So to find the ancient mage, we need to find that realm he's in? But how? I heard there's a way. Once you're aware that that realm exists, look into where it looks out, and you'll find the entrance. Just another precaution. Wow, that's a lot of circles. I'm out of mana. Anyway, my point is that it's too dangerous. The young ones listen to you, Nerva. Tell them to stay away. Of course. Now we should pounce back. You finished taking notes. Hopefully they'll listen. What is forgotten should stay forgotten. The whole forest just disappeared?
Yeah, it is.
Why are things never real? No!
What?
I'm leaving everything!
No.
My kings! You're back! Did you manage to take any notes? We're starting this right now? Okay.
You want me? Are you sure?
I mean, I don't see why not. We took out a level 17 dungeon, bro.
Okay.
You give the mage the notes you took. So to find the coat, we must find the ancient mage. And to find the ancient mage, we must look to where it looks out. Look out, outlook. Outlook?
else?
My kings, that's it. You'll have to go to the cafe's outlook. I believe you'll return with the invisibility fur coat, my kings. All right.
Brr.
What was that for?
What?
Man, I like the speed.
What?
You're throwing me off. Like, where are we going?
Cat.
Are we not following?
I am following. I'm just following the cat.
The spiffy. You activated the entrance. Find the magic circle that will bring you to me. Oh, that was easy. Thank goodness it's glowing purple.
Hello, purple.
So when now we touch it? You do it. I don't want to touch it. Oh my god, are we dead?
Yes.
Suddenly, I'm getting a little bit nostalgic.
Why?
I've been in an empty patch of space before. Where are you going? Can you go no farther?
Nah, it's... I must map the border.
Whoa, okay, that's pretty far.
It was pretty much... Did I stop yet? I stopped.
Why are you looking for
Alright,
borders? There's a giant crystal right there. I want to touch that.
Oh, excuse me for being curious.
Whoa! Why do the town cats hate us mages? We've done nothing. Everyone's afraid of things that are different. We just have to wait. Maybe one day they'll understand. Huh? Oh, those are real. I thought we were watching visions. Since when can visions attack? Ow, that was a lot of damage. Sooner or later, there's gonna be spells flying all over the screen, and I'm totally excited for that. Touch. I'll go back in time and destroy the first source of magic. Huh? That should stop the discrimination. If there's no magic, there's nothing to hate. But your time magic theories are too dangerous. Nevertheless, I'll help you because we're best friends. That's kind of sweet, though.
You did.
Are you alright? You're hurt. Was it the town cats again? Why is it always like this? This is enough. We have to complete the time spell. But with time magic, anything could go wrong. We'll just have to take that risk. No. I'm right here.
Yeah, I'm right, you too.
Then what's this crystal deal? It's the spiky spell. Holy cow. I've been bad at dodging. Yeah! Oh, I got stuck in a trap. Spooky, scary skeletons. Sweet mercy. Hey, you. Wait! You don't want to do this! This isn't the way! It's too late! Once I step through here, I can finally fix anything. Finally fix everything. Something's wrong! You've destabilized the spell! This is beyond me. I can't do it. Why? This will help us! Please! I'm sorry. I'm trying to save you. My only one what's best for us mages. Help me! I'm very sorry.
Goofy pun.
New faces. Did you know those crystals were actually my memories? You've helped me remember some things by activating them just now. Yeah, I've forgotten quite a bit after being stuck here for so long. Lost most of my magic too. Look how small I've become. Oh, so you weren't distant. You're just very small.
Small.
But now that you found me, an exit finally appeared. Maybe I'll regain my memories and magic once I leave. See you outside. We didn't just do something absolutely terrible, did we? I don't know, bro. When things are in prison, it's usually for a reason.
Nah.
Alright. Still small. Would you stop hiding in the trees? Thank you for getting me out of here. Here, take this. Nice. But we don't have that spell. I need time to remember everything. I'll rest around here. Come find me again. Come find me again? It goes with the blue!
Can't
Nope.
Okay.
I think we're good enough level. Let's go take care of that other thing.
Oh, you speak.
Easy. Who is this? What's the level? Where's the level? Level 12. Let's take a nap first. It's seriously always by a pixel. Dr. Jekyll. Salutations! I'm Dr. Jekyll, requesting help gathering monster meat. I don't know if I want to do that again.
Again? This is our first time.
Oh, a canine friend here to help me? How rare indeed. Welcome. Do I have a name? So I'm sure it'll come to me eventually. So, I guess I'll just go by Dog Knight for now. Some town cats are ill. Symptoms are constant meat chanting. Oh no. I don't like where this is going. Blood test revealed strange particles. Diagnosis: monsters. I require some samples of bat meat. Missing source locations include Riverhole. Destroy the bats in Riverhole to acquire their meat. I like the rivers though. Ow! Riverhole. Whoa. Holy moly! Luckily you're not that crazy, me cat. If you see that cat, you better run far away. See ya. Excuse... Was he not just a town cat? Where did he go? Oh, so we do share levels.
Yeah.
Thank goodness. I do not like a little bit of experience of being, you know. I don't want one experience difference. Did you do that?
You're awesome.
Don't go down!
You're.
Oh, the bat meat. Was that the opening chest sound?
Yes.
Oh, lucky.
You awesome hand of legends.
Why can't I get a hat? I want a hat. And maybe some pants. Oh! Ranger cap.
What was your hand?
But it doesn't match the armor.
But it boosts your stand.
Whatever. At least I look good in it. Neat. Check out my sweet roll distance. Yeah, now I have the super roll. Oh, that's right. I need healing. I forgot I just died. I don't know. Oh. Do we need to upgrade? Maybe we'll get something over here. Where are you going? Peasant? I thought this was the dude. You're looking for Dr. Jekyll? Ooh, I smell meat! Wait here then. Meat, 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 meat. Creepy meat cat. Most puzzling. I don't remember going inside. You give Dr. Jekyll the meat. Muni, thanks! I will require some help. Come by again, and here, have this. Huh. Neato. What level? Oh, we can do it. Let's do it.
Alright.
Greetings! Can you help me again? I need to find some missing town cats. Meat, meat. My antidote's near completion, but the ill town cats have pounced away. You must find them. Clues should exist nearby to help you. Meet me. So it's not a billboard anymore? You can oh, I like the billboard though. Are you just hiding? This one looks pretty suspicious. You asking why I'm here? We're running from that freaky meat cat. She's been feeding us weird meat. It's getting worse! You say Doc's got an antidote, right? The others are nearby. But we made fake trails for safety. Pick out the right one. Sounds simple enough. What, did I already pick the wrong way?
What?
I did pick the wrong way. Oh, that is embarrassing. I'm right here. Okay. An antidote. Doc's the best. She was kidnapped by Lighter soldiers for a while. But she managed to come back. What meat cat? That meat cat appeared then too. Oh my gosh. Find the others, quick! There should be a much safer path. Choose wisely. That wasn't very nice. Oh, they're up there.
Okay.
Alright, let's throw down then. Oh, that could have been the end of our adventure. What?
Oh.
So you just got saved by the bell! Just you wait, when this cutscene's over, we're gonna get you. An antidote? We can finally go back. No more meat! 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 What the? What was that?
They made that noise the first time in here.
No? Meat, meat, meat! You can't run from meat! The cat pulls out the test tube. A test tube.
Yes.
This constructed meat essence transforms town cats into monsters. Dr. Jekyll didn't even know she was creating this. There's no antidote. How could you?
The town cats.
No! They've been reduced! And you two, enjoy! Meat!
Nice.
You freak of nature! Oh my gosh, there's a lot. Who is friendly? My brother!
They're all evil.
How could this have happened? Well, nuts.
So that was weird.
What, was it a dream?
Okay.
Round two. Alright, what does this do? I'm the keeper of all stories in time. Do you wish to reverse time on this quest to whence you first took it? No! I mean, consider it, but no! No! Deja vu!
What?
You freak! What's this psychopath's deal?
I understand about cats.
I'm glad they still look cute. Oh my gosh! Okay, so it was the fireballs. Good plan. What a Dark Souls maneuver! Oh my gosh, how did you live? I returned! There's another one down. We're so in sync! Ow! What? Why do I take a random hit whenever we're done?
I think it's because you're
Puzzling. How did I get here? Your same town cats are gone? Mew dear, I must find out why. Here, take this. I will gladly wear that. Oh, but I'll lose my awesome armor! Meet back in Fisher Cat Village later.
Oh, roll distance.
I do like roll distance. And also, an excellent time to wrap up.
Aw.
We will continue. Like, duh. There, now I'm matching. You better believe it. Alright, let's actually pause the game this time. And you immediately engage in what looks to be a squirrel.